Guys, my name is Nabil, and today I'm making a game known as Slippery Ice Version. I know it's wrong spelling, but then it's okay. That's the name of it's Slippery. Just my name, my game name, okay? Yeah, so I'm trying to code something. So first, I gotta. So till now, my progress is this. Just a sec. Yeah, what is that? Huh? Yeah, it's here, right? I'm gonna fix that. So I had written some code, but I deleted it. So now, uh, yeah, okay. It's gonna go if input dot get key code. So we're gonna turn left. So left with key. Yeah. So yeah, you understand. So it's gonna just get the key code left arrow, and then what should we do? I'm gonna tap it out. So we'll just do transform. No, oops. Transform the local rotation. So I think it is 5 0 0. Yeah, that should be okay, right? Okay, what's the problem here? Okay, okay, let me try this one. Try. Okay, that's okay. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna do that. Control C, Control E, left, right arrow. Now I think it should be I can know what it should be -5, and that should be 5, and then I'll just make this left and that right. If input dot get key, yeah, get key code dot up arrow. Yeah. Now we need to transform the rotate 0, 5, and 0. I know, we'll just test it out, guys. Again, do the same. Control C, Control V. I'll just do -5. I hope this works. So, what's it? Okay, well, Control S, and let's see. A second. What?
Let me fix that in a second.
Oh god, I think I found the problem, I think. I assume this will work. Let's try it out. So, uh, wait a minute. Just a second, guys. I need to just. That's a mistake. Oh, okay. I understand now. Okay. I'll just remove the component. And actually, yeah. And now it should work. Because I had a new script that didn't work. Let's try that. Oops. Oh. Yeah, let's try. Go here. Come on, I did. Okay, guys. I need to add player movement. It should work. What? Okay, let's see here, guys. Let's see here. Okay, so what? Wait, what? Okay. Okay, player movement. Starting with Visual Studio. Okay. Like we can see it here, right? What's the problem? Uh, X, Y. Okay. I'm just gonna do that. 5 minus 5, 0, 0. Oh, okay. I knew, right? Okay, down arrow. This, let's go there maybe. Minus 5, 0, minus. Is it 2 space? Okay. Let's try now. It must work. Uh, I'm literally confused. So, okay, I understand. Oh, okay, now I understand. It should work according to me. Just put player movement. Yeah, okay. Okay, I need to add right now. Player movement. Yes, we. What? Wait, when I press the up arrow, it goes down, down arrow, up. Okay, let's see. Okay, it should be some mistake. It must be a minus, and this would be plus. Yeah, I am sure. If it doesn't come, I know what I should do. Say, okay, yeah. So, okay, okay, guys, I'm gonna end off this video by just removing the player movement script, and then I am sure it's done. I'm sure. Okay, now it says down. Okay. Yeah, I knew that. Okay, guys, so this is the first part of Slippery. Okay, please don't get triggered that it's Slippery, not Slippery. That's just a style of writing my name. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment. Next video, they're gonna make something new with this game. So stay tuned. Peace.